Welcome to more about print. You know print puts spaces between comma-separated values. But you can change that separator, and you can also control what happens at the very end of each print call. Default behavior, values separated by spaces. Set sep to a hyphen and Python uses that as the glue instead. Output, -b-c. By default, print adds a new line at the end. Set end to an empty string and the next print continues on the same line. This is how you build loading animations or inline progress indicators. Two small parameters, surprising power. You will use end particularly often in loops and progress displays. Welcome to getting user input. So far your programs only talk at the user. Input lets them talk back. The program pauses, shows a prompt message, waits for the user to type, then stores whatever they typed as a string. The string you pass to input is the prompt the user sees. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable name. Now use name in a print call. Your program greets whoever ran it, personalized output from user input. This is critical. Input always gives you a string. If the user types 25, you get the text 25 foot, not the number 25. You cannot do arithmetic on it yet. The next lesson covers how to fix that. With print and input together, your programs can hold a conversation. That is a huge leap from your first hello world. Welcome to combining print and input. Combining input and print gives you the core loop of interactive programming. Ask the user something, store what they say, do something with it, show them the result. That pattern is everywhere. Ask the user for their city. Store it in the variable city. Ask a second question. Store the answer separately. Combine both in the output. The plus sign joins strings directly, no space added. We add the comma manually inside the string. You now have the tools to build your first interactive program. Try building a simple greeting card, ask for a name, age, and city, then print a personalized message. Welcome to String Basics. Strings are one of Python's most used data types. Any text, a name, a sentence, a code is a string. Python gives you tools to create, combine, and inspect strings. Double quotes create a string. Store it in a variable. Single quotes work exactly the same. Pick one style and stay consistent. The plus operator joins strings. This is called concatenation. We add the comma and space manually because Python does not insert them for you here. Output, hello, pylearn. 3 strings joined into one. Len returns the number of characters in a string. Spaces and punctuation count too. Strings are everywhere in real programs, usernames, messages, file paths. Knowing how to create and combine them is essential. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.